What's up, YouTube? I'm Poji Force. This is my hat. We're at Atlantis Games and Comics in Portsmouth. We have a video duel going on here. A lot of people hanging around today. We got Amber, Nathan, and Steve. He owns the shop. He's cool.
I get down to get in the video, and he's just like...
I wasn't paying attention to the backdrop. Alright, we're going to put this over here. We got magic going on over there, too.
Hello, YouTube.
And Nathan's recording
this is
for
Nathan.
our...
We're gonna start a YouTube page for the Kaiju Guild Masters. We have Poji Force and our opponent for the day, Amber. So this is gonna be the first video to be recorded for this. So let's see how it goes.
And I'm going to be the camera guy here. I'm going to hold it.
Please go ahead.
Is there a way? Can I turn the camera around somehow? Do I have to hold it like this?
I was thinking it'd be easier like that. If you want to restart it, I can switch which camera it's using.
It's cool. I'm just...
Yeah,
it's kind of cool like this because then my camera's going to see your camera and vice versa.
Yeah, and like I said, and this way you can... we can all tell which way it needs to be changed on angle.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go ahead and start things off right with good old-fashioned dice roll for who gets first turn.
Big old green and gray bag.
Yeah, it's the dice bag.
Looks like Renaissance
As you can
fair.
see, plenty of dice for the bag. Sure, we'll use these two. Starting it off with the big 12. Boxcars is the way to go. I'll get the choice. Present decks for cutting.
And weren't we going to do like deck profiles or something for the Facebook page?
We can do some later.
Okay.
We won't do any...
I mean, we're not entirely sure what all is going on the Facebook page.
Well, we're still working it out.
You set it up real cool though. Like I like that, especially the logo. Like if you pay close attention to the logo, it actually tells you who their allies are and who their enemies are too.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And Amber, I'm gonna go ahead and let you take first turn.
Go.
Amber's playing blue-black control. I think Nathan's playing mono nature.
Yeah, still with the mono nature.
It's his favorite civilization.
I'm gonna go ahead and start with a charging root trap and coming in strong with a prickleback.
We were actually talking about how mana bind might actually be useful. Hell froze over just now.
No, it didn't. It's just your mind.
Your turn.
Completely blown.
Well, isn't that the point?
And I bet you YouTube right now is like, I'll believe it when I see it.
We will make this happen.
Because there's somebody like, you know...
So I'm gonna go ahead and charge a silver fist.
That's my garbage.
This is mine.
This is my garbage.
This out of the way. There you go, fish. So, and how you been, man? Charge silver fist. Let's bring in Prickleback number 2.
Prickleback. We've been calling him Pickleback lately.
Well, this one doesn't have a pickle. He's got a rage problem with this shield right here. And that'll be my turn. Prickleback returns.
So it's So pretty much right now what's going on is
Razorkin are getting charged over there.
having a hard time seeing the field.
Yeah, this is gonna be a lot easier when I get my my case, because I'm gonna get.
I mean, right now it's barely getting the shields in the battlefield. I'm not getting mana at all.
I can move mine up a bit.
You really can't because now you're invading her battle zone.
Yeah. This will be a lot easier when I get my own case for it, because the case I'm getting will have a built-in stand.
Yeah. Well, I think it's just that because of how close we have to have it to the battle zone right now.
Yeah.
Because we're sharing this table with a lot of people.
Yeah. So, you done there? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and charge Prickleback.
On the plus side, at least it's seeing what I got going on over there, so if it can't see very well on its own, it can see through my screen.
We've got Razorhide going on in there, and we're going to come in for the other outside shield. In the turn,
Amber having no blasts, and Nathan getting really aggressive with all these beastkin.
Well,
I like how he's playing the brothers. Prickleback and Razorhide are brothers.
Oh, wait till the third comes out.
Watch the show.
Oh,
Vortex is getting a little desperate.
Vortex, okay. My turn.
Ember's knocking her cards all over the place.
We'll go ahead and charge that other Prickleback and bring in a Bronze Arm Tribe. Charging a Return to Soil. Go ahead. Close him off.
Surprised that she played the Death Smoke. Considering it's mono nature, there's things like Silver Fist to be worried about.
I'm going to go ahead and charge Lepidos.
As well as all them big guys that should start be hitting the board here very soon.
I'm going to Sprout. And then Razor. It's coming right back out.
How many Sabertooth you running?
4. I mean 3.
I'm running 4 Sabertooth.
Getting my games mixed up here. Okay, yeah. Razorhide coming out. Go ahead.
Ember's mana is so messy. Six.
So what we got coming out? We got something good.
Pop it.
What's he do?
She gets to look at your hand and pick one card to discard. That's a tough pick. Tough pick.
Okay. Bronze Arm Sabertooth's gone.
Should have chose the other one. Oh well.
I don't know. Sabertooth could have attacked immediately. You still got a chance with the other guy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You still got a chance with the other guy. Who knows what he'll
Running
top
Bloodmane
into?
and attacking with Razor Kinder.
Razorhide.
Nah, why am I getting all names mixed up? We're going to go Center Shield this time. And because he attacked, I charge. Getting a Sprout down there in mana.
My turn.
Yes, it is.
It's kind of funny how a lot of these mana cards that nobody likes are slowly becoming more popular. When I went to the tournament a couple weeks ago, I actually saw people playing Sprout then too. Even though a lot of
Was this
old,
before or after we made our video?
it was after we made the video, before I uploaded it. It just seems to like I don't think we can take any credit for it, but
Okay. And away he goes.
Go.
Amber with 2 shields, Nathan with 4. On the bright side, Dark Scared Rebel is just as big. On the not so bright side, no doubt he's going to be playing at least 1 more creature.
Go
Oh no.
Leptos the Ancient.
Oh snap.
Bloodmane is going to kill him. Lepidos's
Ability
activates. This shield becomes mana. Good.
She needs a Terrapid or a good 3/5 Hydra Medusa to start turning this around. Just not so lucky.
Well, at least she's killing shields.
Bump.
Okay, they bump.
Oh, no, Amber?
No, you don't.
No. Only when he wins a battle.
Yeah, I have to actually win the battle.
In a bump, nobody wins.
So, I'm going to charge Bronze Arm Tribe. 1, 2. Play a Moonhauer Tribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Flame Spike Tatsurian.
Flame Spike Tatsurian.
And considering we already saw what
Bringing
shield
in
that
Flame
is,
Spike and finishing off with Lepidus.
that's game 1.
With
kinda wanna try to play
Moonhauer,
against
Bronze
this.
Arm, and only 1 Shield Blast in Shields.
I want to play against that with my control deck after this.
Play against which?
That.
The Nature?
Yeah.
Sure. We can do a second video.
Yeah, of course.
Nature's coming out strong today. Not as aggressive as I'd hope to see it, but aggressive enough.
It didn't help that I didn't have any 3 drops.
How is that not as aggressive as you hoped? You came out real strong.
Remember, usually I get that turn 2 sprout, and turn 2 sprout makes me go off real fast. Faster than that. If I would have had turn 2 sprout, I could have done turn 2 sprout and then play prickleback. Yeah, both pricklebacks. And it'll be your choice this game.
That sleeve is all effed up.
Yeah, we're going to need to get a new sleeve for you.
I have some at home.
Well,
There's a couple
it can be
like
changed later.
Time to get some new sleeves.
Oh, do you?
Okay. You're going first.
I did that a little bit just to like start.
I'm going to go ahead and charge a Lepidus.
With the exception
Play prickleback.
Okay.
How many Lepidus do you play?
3 now. So I don't mind charging.
I guess when you're playing like Mono Nature, you can afford to play 3 copies of certain things.
Yes.
Because you don't have another civilization to worry about.
Yeah.
The downside is that depending on what's like,
Go.
you have that civilization's answers to things, and that's it.
Charge a roaming bloodmane. Play a sprout. Get a bronze arm tribe. Charge it into mana.
Because I'm building, I'm basically playing.
And swing in here.
Blue, white, red, or 4 colors.
End of turn comes back to
So I
hand.
need a lot of the same colors.
Good.
That's a lot of things. I'm not sure. To be completely honest.
And I gotta record today's card of the week video too. Gigastan. That's actually a good card in the nature matchup because he discards cards and makes it more difficult for you to play things with very limited draw power in
I'm going
nature.
to charge a Tendril Grasp.
How many of those do you run? 3?
No. Right now I only have... Actually, did I just get the... I'm either running 1 or 2. I can't remember. I wanna
What's
go
your deck total?
Exactly 40. And play a
Great
Great
Arena.
Arena.
I actually forgot about Great Arena from Mono Nature. The other draw engine.
Well, now that I actually own some, it's worth playing.
Gonna play
Oh, we
Screeching
have a
Scaredorable.
Screeching. And he is...
His ability doesn't do anything right now.
If you're at a level 2 or less,
if he was a blocker, it would keep him from blocking.
Yeah.
But
he's gonna
Yeah,
make
I
you
do.
discard. You
So
discard
discard
first.
first.
yeah, discard first. Then I will discard a Moonhowler Tribe.
And then whatever you get.
Okay.
Go.
I think my control deck would have a better matchup because it plays more heavily with the discard.
Charge Leptos the Ancient. Leap and Sow. Charging a Sprout.
It's 2 Lepidus and mana now.
Prickleback. Prickleback.
All the backs in the world.
And we're going to go ahead and take out that Gigastan. Go ahead.
Ember's dropping cards. When we're done here, I'm gonna hand you the iPad, and someone needs to hand me the laptop. It's still recording. Don't worry.
Okay. Well, I've been trying to catch it before it goes to sleep. Hydra Medusa, what are we getting rid of?
Kill a
Prickleback.
Prickleback.
Okay.
Attack and kill Great Arena.
Okay.
This game's actually been a lot closer than the first one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And I think we know what's going on there.
Bronze Arm Sabretooth. I'm going to take out the Hydra Medusa. Go ahead.
No, yeah, like I said, our decks aren't finished yet. They're proxy.
Ember's got 5 mana.
Finished.
6 for Bone Blades.
Okay.
All the back and forth action that one could hope for. Oh, that's 8
4,
mana.
5, 6, 7,
No, I got rid
8.
of
The third Lepidus.
I think I might have a couple vials.
Go ahead.
6 mana.
Nothing much. That's why we're pretty much like we're not
7.
doing too much trading.
Razor Kinder.
What does he do?
Destroys one untapped creature. It's Death Smoke with a body.
Okay.
Kind of surprised she didn't just play the Death Smoke she just drew. Hold the Razor Kinder for later. How many Death Smoke you running, Amber?
3, I think.
You
2 or
think?
3.
Silver Fist.
Oh, see? Should have held it.
He is a 8,000 double breaker right now because I only have nature mana. Good.
I'll be around for a little bit. Alright, man. Well, it was nice trading.
7 mana.
You're going first. So you can lay down a land.
Dark Scared Horrible.
Okay.
Now, if you have a creature that only costs 1 to summon, you can do that.
Trying to decide whether. How many cards do you have in hand, Nathan?
2.
2?
Go.
He's tapped. He's summoned.
Actually,
I'm going to charge or return to soil.
That's 9 mana.
Reap and sow. Charge another return to soil. Sprout.
All the mana in the world.
Yep.
Still got 5 mana left over.
Double break these 2.
Terra Pit.
Go ahead.
So where are you at right now? Alright, so he started his turn. He drew his own cards.
Looks like Amber might take game 2.
Okay.
Maybe. We'll see what happens.
It's a lot easier. See, and I'll keep going down.
There's a Seneschal. Double breaking. Okay.
I thought he had summoning sickness. He does have summoning sickness.
Okay.
That's that. Take that out. So then your turn.
What I draw here is going to determine it.
Because I don't think you can kill all those creatures. You would have to
No,
take
I
2
couldn't.
shields
But
and
if I
swing for game.
drew another Evo, I could have.
doubles the counters on anything.
You would have to take 2 shields and swing for game all in one go.
We'll see. I got both of those, and I already had Flame Spike. If I would have drawn another Evo, it would have been possible.
Would you have had enough mana? How much mana do you have?
Let's
Because that
see,
right there
3,
requires 11.
2,
So, okay. So
6.
You wouldn't have had enough.
Yeah, I wouldn't have had enough. But I would have gotten to that and taken out.
2 shields.
Or I could have
Or the
done.
creature, but it would have
Or
been.
I could have done Bronze Arm Tribe in that order. Because Bronze Arm Tribe would have given me the extra
untap.
for the Moon Howard. So I will be going to game
3?
3. It was the next one then.
Still wasn't enough mana.
Yeah, it wasn't enough mana, but I was digging.
You had about 11, 12 mana by the end of it.
Yeah, I had a good amount. If I would have charged that turn, I would have had 12. If I would have charged and played Bronze Arm Tribe, I would have had 13. And I just wasn't. I didn't hit a
Your
single.
fingers and double.
Is it? Sorry.
I didn't hit a single shield blast.
I had 1.
She had 1. But it was a good one.
Yes.
And it came at the right time.
So we'll do, and I'll show you how to do the next one.
Although Blurple wouldn't have done nothing.
Bone Blades wouldn't have done much at that point.
Draw a card. So now you're all the way down to here.
It's like the first game when you death smoked his Razor Hide when you had a Bone Blades in hand. I didn't understand that. Because Mono Nature plays a lot of big guys who can't attack the same turn that they're played. Death Smoke would have been better to hold on to for that situation.
I'll let you go first.
But it wouldn't do much for you, right? Because you only have 0.
Go.
Charge a Lapidos, go.
So he's really good on defense.
It's funny because most of your Lepidoses end up in mana.
Yes, I do.
And you still get to play one, usually.
Charge Roaming.
Exactly. You subtract. Yeah, exactly.
Sprout.
So when you
No Pricklebacks, though.
No.
Interesting.
Yeah, I know. Usually I get them. Wonder where they are.
On the bright side, you'll probably draw them all later and get to play them.
Yeah, I'll play them all at once.
I did that once.
Actually, no, what would be even more funny is be able to go straight from Prickleback to Bronze Arm Sabretooth twice in the same turn.
Go.
Amber's aiming to draw for next turn.
charge a Silver Fist and play a Moonhowler Tribe. Good.
Moonholler Tribe is 2 mana, 2,000 power. He's going to destroy it with Screeching Scaredorable. And then swing in with Aqua Seneschal.
Alright, he will get through. Block and we'll make it.
Charge a
That goes down.
Roaming Bloodmane. Play Silver Fist.
The
Good.
Fist of Silvers. Both decks are being really aggressive right now. 5 mana.
No, you don't.
Destroy it with Hydra Medusa. It's not looking good for the Mono Nature deck.
Sprout.
Go.
Yeah, it's not looking good for me.
This is turning into a very fast game 3. From the Water Dark deck of all things.
Charge Lepidus.
Yeah, it
Razorhide.
doesn't say exactly.
Bronze Arm Sabretooth. Attack Hydra Medusa. Go ahead.
And with Nature not playing any blockers, if Amber keeps up this aggressive position, there may not
Yeah,
be
that's-
anything you can do about it.
That's what's been hurting me, that I haven't been able to play anyone long enough to get through. Return Soil.
Oh, that's a good hit.
Yes, yes it is.
Go.
Nathan might be able to turn things around now.
Oh, I'm intending to.
Amber, it honestly, from my position, looks like Amber was going to win right there, but maybe not now.
Double break.
We'll see what happens. Bone Blades. She almost forgets every time that he's Bone Bladesable.
Go ahead.
She nearly put that card in her hand and didn't use it.
Remember? Okay, so you remember these steps?
Remember, Amber, Sabretooth is 4 mana.
That's basically one step.
Speaking of 4 mana, Amber has twice that. She's got 8.
Basically one step. One step.
And I have 9.
So this is usually your untapped draw.
I'm getting charged.
Turning phase. So sorceries you can only play
Papa Johnny.
during this
Give
game
him
phase.
double strike for the turn and flying.
There goes the last shield.
14, general.
Yeah.
So she might still
I have
get
funny
this.
luck when Dark Scared Orables have played against me. When they're played
I
against
think
me, it
she's
seems
still
like
going to
whenever
get
they
this
hit my
because of
shield,
that Dark Scared Orbital. I think she's,
Dark Scared Orbital puts in great work.
Yep.
She runs 3 copies of it in this deck. It's a nice aggressive
So you're
card.
going to get to go to your attack step, and we'll do that.
And a
So
great
right
way
now,
to catch your opponent by surprise for a win.
Charge Roaming Bloodmane.
Can you kill the Dark Scared Orbital?
I wish. Yeah, I can't do it. All I've got is Bronze Arm to Bronze Arm to Razorhide. The double break.
Wow.
Yeah.
Doc is the superior.
I would definitely,
civilization.
I definitely would say Dark Scared Dorable would be MVP of that game.
Yeah, Dark Scared Orbital puts in all the work. So,
Oh, nice, John.
slid
Correct.
right through the crack. Went to pick it up and hand it to you, and I dropped it. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
All right,
it ended the movie.
It ended the movie when it fell.
Yep.
So yeah, guys, and now it's official. I accidentally broke Nathan's iPad.
No, you didn't break it. It just
All right,
It just
that's the
ended
match. Hope you enjoyed. Like, favorite,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Not good.
Duel 1 Kajudo Duel Masters. We will see you later.